Welcome to solverfy.
Problem is saying let there be two boys, one both is at height h, is both is h. One throws the ball upside with vi and one with downside with vi. So what is the time when these both ball strike? So let it be t1 and it strike, let it be t2. So by observation we know that t1 will be less than t2, and given vi velocity, h will be height, and g will be acceleration due to gravity, and t will be time. So we write equation of motion. Equation of motion. In the second equation, there are three equations. The second equations that we study in equation of motion is h equals to ut plus half at square. So we will use this formula for time calculation. For this problem, h will be equals to u is vi, v initial t, minus half of gt square. Acceleration due to gravity is g. Just rearrange this quadratic equation. 2h equals to 2 vit minus gt square equals to gt square minus 2 vit plus 2h is equals to 0. So this is quadratic equation. Now since this is quadratic equation, we know roots t1 t2, roots t1 t2 will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula. So t2 minus t1 in this case will be, we will subtract one value, so this will be cancelled and we will only remain with 2 times of root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which will be root over b square minus 4ac upon a. So comparing in this equation, what is our b? This is a, this whole is b, and this is c. So sign is also included in quadratic equation. So t2 minus t1 will be a, which is downside g, root over b square is 4vi square minus 4 into 2g, 4 into a is g into c, which is 2h. So we can take the 2 as outside, 2 root over vi square minus 2gh upon g. So this will be our final solution of part A, first part, vi square minus 2gh upon g. Now for the second part, it is asking velocity vf. So this can be derived from the second equation, vf square equals to v square equals to u square plus 2as. We know this formula, v square equals to u square plus 2as. So in this case, this is vi and a g h. So we can see that vf here is independent of direction. So vf will be root over vi square plus 2 of gh for both the balls, since acceleration is same both the balls. So for the third part, there will be two cases. It is asking how far apart will be balls. So third question is a bit lengthier one. We will go step by step. So for the case, let this is vi upward and this is one was vi downward. So it will reach maximum will be speed will be 0. So time this much time can be we do not give it as time t1. So t1 we can calculate from the formula v equals to u plus at. So here v is 0 and a is g. So g is negative and ta. So t equals to vi by g. So for up to this time, what will be the distance will be simply 2 times acceleration times t. It is going downward and it is going upward. So it is accelerating with plus gt. It is accelerating with minus g since it is moving upward. So distance will be simply 2gt for t less than vi by g we have talked right now. Now for the second case, when both ball starts falling downward, then its acceleration will be now become positive and this will also be positive plus gt. So now distance will be fixed, which will be 2g t critical. This is t critical value. So 2g. So for the last part, I had done a mistake. We'll again calculate, and the mistake was the formula of this distance is half gt square, not the previous one mentioned. So this is half gt square. So similar concept. One is going upward and one is going downward. So for ti equals to so vi by g. The time till this upward becomes 0. We have described this thing. So this is the required time since v upward is 0. So it will be simply this formula where t is equal to time lapsed. Time lapsed. So for case 1 when t is less than vi by g. In case 2 when v will be t will be greater than vi by g. For this case the distance will be become constant because both will like it has let's suppose after time t it has reached here, it starts falling down. Since both are in the same direction and same g is present, so for this the distance will become this distance will become constant, d equals become constant. And what will be this constant value? This will be half of g of t critical. T critical is time till it's reached upward. So half of g of t critical was vi by g whole square, which is half g vi square upon g square into 2 because both in one is going upward and into 2 will be in both the cases. This is 2 balls, so that's why we are multiplying it by 2. So simply it will be v square by vi square by g. So this is the for the case 2.